Okay, the Ryobi 1 HP hammer drill. This is the PSBRH01 new model 3/8" SDS bit. Got a couple batteries here. Put the small battery in, it won't stay up on its own. Just means you hold it like that. Put the bigger battery in. It's got enough weight on the bottom to hold it up. It's got some heaviness here. Put the drill bit in. Push this little chunk back. Put the drill bit in and come out in there. Got a regular mode. Squeeze that and turn it. It's got a lot of power. Got an LED light that comes on. Got a good way to hold it. And if you turn it here, you got the hammer for drilling. So let's try to drill into a rock. You can get attachments like a little clip on this side. You want to hang it on something. And there's another hole here to screw in other attachments. And other than that, it's, 2 speeds. So this is flagstone that we have in the house over here in the walls, and you can see it just went right through that. A drill bit, a nice powerful drill. Let's try it again. That's a little bit of reciprocating when it's in hammer mode. It went almost all the way through. What's that? About 3 inches. Really powerful. See if it'll go through in regular mode. I don't know. Yeah, it's a big difference. That's for regular drilling. When you want to push through something like brick or stone, go in hammer drill mode. 1+ HP brushless drill. Okay, and be careful. Read the manual. Put some eye protection and some ear protection on. Okay, as you know, they're batteries. They just pop off. You squeeze them, they pop off. Okay. Nice drill. Powerful drill.